Hello and welcome to this video. Arvind Mota here, and I'm going to show you a few trades which I took today in stock options, and I'm going to apply what logic I applied for these trades. I'm going to explain that to you. And I basically took for like 4 or 5 trades which you can see, stock options and one Bank Nifty trade. Okay, and as you can see, most of these trades are like short time frame, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So these like scalp trades, but I'm not buying in very high quantity because I want to strike at the right time, enter and exit at the right time and book my profit. I'm not trying to make very high profit because the quantity you can see here is not very high, probably 2 or 3 lots maximum. Okay. Strategy, you can definitely make consistent returns. You don't have to buy very high quantity or take very high risk. Okay, because I picked the stocks at the right time and strike at the right time and exit at the right time. Okay, Infosys was pretty bullish today because it opened gap up here because of the earnings report and also the positive news in market regarding Infosys. You can see the big jump here from 740 to 765 and above, right? So I entered the trade at 945. I take a 750 call option because I expect Infosys to be bullish even above this range. I entered around 10, I think 945, right? So it is around 766, and I still expect it to be bullish because RSI is kind of pretty high. A lot of buying happening in the market, and there's MACD lines have converged. All these are good positive signs that it is going to be bullish. So I take a call option, and again I take only in the money option because it's already 766. I could have taken 780 or 800 C, but I prefer taking in the money option where it is more beneficial for you, because if you take any options premium pricing model, you have two values, right? You have the time value and the intrinsic value. Okay, so when you take the in the money option, you get the benefit, like even if the option is going to expire, it's going to expire worthless, right? If you don't have the intrinsic value. So it'll have two parts, and it will be beneficial to take in the money option, right? So I take it here and then I exit somewhere here. I don't hold it for a very long time, and you can see here just 5 or 6 minutes I book my profit here. And in fact, I re-enter it in around 1036. You can see here 1036. It was somewhere here, right? So it is still going up, 772, and it touched 7. I think 777. Yeah. I just exit the trade at this point, and from here it's just moving sideways. Not much momentum here. RSI is kind of flat, and MACD lines have kind of diverged here. Okay. So not much is happening here, so it's good to actually exit the trade. So I take Bank Nifty also. Okay, Bank Nifty was kind of volatile today, not much movement, even though we had a gap up opening here. You can see here, yeah, we had a gap up opening here, but still it is just moving sideways. This whole section was very volatile today, not much movement, but you can see here there's a big drop here, and then it just again trading the same zone or range bound. Okay, so I'd like a call option of I think 32,200 call option here, and I just buy 2 lots, and probably 10 to 15 points difference. I exit the trade. Not much movement because I enter somewhere here and exit the trade somewhere here. Okay, it's very volatile here, not much of momentum, so it's good to avoid trading in these zones unless you're doing scalping. Okay, you can do scalping where you can be very sure that the price will somewhat come back to the range you're trading the strike price, and then you can book your profit. Okay, you don't have to hold it for a very long time, but again, you're not doing the actual scalping where you do very high quantity. Okay, I'm just trying to book minimal profits here to be on the safer side. Okay, so this is about Bank Nifty, and Hindustan Lever was a good trade today. We look at the chart of Hindustan Lever, right? So you can see it's like overall bullish, right? It's just going from here the last 3-4 days. It's been very bullish, almost 30-40 points, and just going straight. If you go to the 4-hourly chart, you get a better picture. You can see it's a good resistance breakout here at this zone. It's just going bullish, and even daily chart is a very good sign that it's turning bullish. The clear trend reversal that happened here. RSI is picking up, MACD lines have converged, and it's a good signal that sort of a lot of buying is happening here. And one important point you have to consider is the earnings report is going to be announced. So in anticipation of that, it is actually really bullish. Okay, which is a good thing because I took a call option here, a strike price of 1980. Again, I take in the money option, which is beneficial for me. Okay. Can see here I enter at 12:44 and I hold it for about 2-3 hours, and it's not really much momentum was going on, a little bit on the 15 minutes chart. You can see here I entered somewhere here, right? But still it's not much of momentum here. It was a little bearish here, little bit of selling that's happening here that pushed the price down, but again it shot up in the end. Last 1 or 2 hours it was very bullish, and we can in fact expect it to go up higher. But I exit the trade. Again, I'm not trying to hold on to the trade. Most of my options trade, I close it out at the same day. I don't really hold it to the next day because we don't have any control. Anything may happen overnight and the market may open gap down and it may not go in my favor. Even if I have a stop loss AMO order, but still I don't want to do that. I usually exit the trade before market close. Okay, so in the Hindustan Lever, I just hold it for some time and exit the trade. Not much difference here. Yeah, Hindustan Lever. Okay, IndusInd Bank will come here. So this is also a very good trade opportunity. You can see a very good bullish trend happening here, right? From 2 o'clock, it went up all the way up for 1546. Very good jump of 46 points. You can see here 15 minutes chart, very good jump. So I entered the trade somewhere at 3 o'clock. I take a this is IndusInd Bank. So I take 1540 strike price at 318 towards the end of the market hours. Okay, so I enter it here. In fact, if you take all my orders are on NRML mode. Okay, I don't take MIS orders because worst case I can still carry forward to the next day. Okay, you can see here I entered somewhere here, right? What is the time here? 318 here. Okay, to somewhere here. Okay, and still it's going up. You can see last 1 hour has been totally bullish and it's a good sign, and I book my profit just before market close. I exit the trade, a few points difference. Okay, so all these trades are very good because I take it the right time, exit the right time. I don't hold it for a very long time, and that's what's going to work in my favor. So we look at the profit, what I was able to book taking these multiple trades. I was able to book a little more than 6,000 rupees. Bank Nifty was not much because I didn't hold it for long. These were pretty decent trades, and if you look at the P&L also, after deducting the charges, the breakdown of brokerage and other transaction charges, my net P&L is around 5.36k. Right, so this way you can take multiple trades, or you can also stick to one trade, and even if the stock price is moving up like 4 to 5 points, you can still make good profit. It's all about taking the right trades at the right time. And I preferably go for stock options more than index options, where you have better control over your trade in terms of prediction. You have better control over your trade when it comes to stock options, and you also have monthly expiry, right? You have enough time for the stock to recover, and then you can book your profits. So you can definitely go for that. Options trading is ideal for somebody who's not having much capital, and especially when you're going for buying options, I don't need much capital. And one good thing about buying options is you have unlimited potential to gain returns, but limited loss potential, where the maximum amount that you can lose is the money that you invested. Like for example, if you buy one lot of 75 points in Nifty, that's the extent that you can lose, right? But the potential to earn money is really huge when you're buying an option. But again, there's also a risk of losing time decay, where the options pricing will fall, but every day the prices will change. Even on weekends you lose the time decay, right? That way there's some kind of risk is involved. That's why I don't prefer it to hold it for too much time, and always keep a stop loss, manage your risk properly. Then you can definitely earn good amount of money trading only in stock options. Okay, this video is for you if you're trading in options. You can follow the same thing. Just hold it for a few minutes, probably a few hours. But choose the right trades, pick the right stocks, and then you'll be able to make good profits. Again, don't be an aggressive trader. Don't look for opportunities every day. Few days you just have to stay away from the market, but few days you will definitely have a lot of good opportunities where you can make very good money. Okay, great. Thanks for staying with me, and I really hope this video was useful. Please like and share this video if you found this useful. Also, please leave your comments. And if you want to attend my webinar, just sign up with the link arvinds.co/webinar. You can attend my free webinars, and I'll be able to help you out further, giving you more information. Or you can also link arvinds.co/products, where I have my own coaching program and services. You can sign up if you're interested. You can go for that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.